It's funny, no, how we can spend 2 hours planning how to study but struggle to study at least for 30 minutes. Let's be honest, summer vacation started with this is going to be my comeback, and now it's almost the end of May. It's end of May. The problem isn't that we don't know what to do. The problem is that we keep waiting for the perfect day to start. So, in this video, I will show you exactly how to use the remaining summer vacation smartly and you can stay ahead of most students. I'm going to divide this video into 6 parts and all the 6 parts are the important ones. So stay tuned till the end. Let's start with point number 1. Stop wasting summer vacation. First of all, stop treating summer vacation like unlimited free time. Most of you will think vacations है बाद में पढ़ लेंगे, but smart students know something very important. Once school becomes regular, your homework will increase, your test will begin, projects will come, distractions will increase. Right now you have something extremely valuable, and that's time. And if you use this time wisely, your future self will thank you. Point number 2, find your prime time. Now let's talk about the biggest study mistake. Most of you will study according to the clock, but smart students study according to their energy. Ask yourself, when do I naturally feel more focused? For some, it will be early morning. For others, it may be late evening or night. Don't copy someone else's routine, find your own. If you are a morning person, then use mornings. If you are a night person, then use nights because your highest energy hours are your most valuable hours. Point number 3, which is related to point 2, use your energy intelligently. This tip helped me a lot. And let me be very honest, don't give every task equal importance. During your highest energy hours, do the toughest work, for example, accounts. And during lower energy hours, do light tasks, for example, revision, reading notes, etc. Many of you will spend their best hours doing the easy work and then try difficult topics when they are already tired. When you use your energy intelligently, you can finish your 4 hours of work in just 2 focused hours. Be the smartest one, not the dumbest one. Point number 4, build an energetic routine. A good routine is not one that looks beautiful on paper. A good routine is one you can actually follow. Your routine should include study time, break time, health, exercise, skill development, hobbies, and also some free time. But if your schedule feels like a punishment, you will quit after a few days. The goal is sustainability, not perfection. Point number 5, which is very important. Consistency is more than motivation. This is where most of you will fail. You will study for 6 hours in a day, then 0 hours for the next 3 days. That's not consistency. Even on your worst day, study for at least 25 to 30 minutes. That's it. Perfect the habit because once consistency breaks, restarting becomes very difficult. Remember, a small study session is always better than no study session. Point number 6, study smarter, not harder. For theory subjects like BST and economics, create stories, create connections, understand the flow. Don't just memorize blindly. For practical subjects like accounts, connect concepts with real life examples. Practice questions repeatedly, as many times as you can, because understanding plus practice creates confidence, and confidence improves performance. And one most important thing that completely changed my approach towards studies was to don't just collect study plans, practice. Don't just watch endless lectures, practice. Don't just make timetables, practice. Because at the end of the day, marks don't come from and planning. Marks come from solving the questions, revising concepts, and showing up consistently. A student who practices for 1 hour every day will perform much better than a one who spends hours planning but rarely takes action. So, whatever you learn from this video, apply it, even if it's just one small change. So, if there's only one thing I want you to remember from this video, it's this: don't wait for the perfect day. Let me be very honest, perfect day never ever comes. Don't wait for the perfect timetable and don't wait for the motivation to magically appear. Start with what you have. Use your highest energy hours wisely and focus on practice instead of endless planning. Stay consistent even on the difficult days and make the most of the remaining summer vacation, because a few weeks of smart effort today can save you months of stress later. Class 12th doesn't become easier because of luck. It becomes easier because of these habits you build right now. So the choice is yours. You can keep saying, I will start tomorrow, or you can make today the day you actually begin. Now, before you leave, I want you to do one single thing. Open the comments and write it now. My comeback starts today. Not for me, for yourself. Now, before you go, if you are a class 12th commerce student who's determined to make this year count, hit the subscribe button, because every week I will be sharing study strategies, productivity tips, and lessons that can genuinely make your journey easier. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.